Detune two synthesizer oscillators by a hair, and the tone breathes. Loud, soft, like a tremolo you did not program. That is not an effect plugin glitch. Two nearly equal frequencies are taking turns agreeing and fighting, and your ear hears the average volume rise and fall. The myth: two same notes should sound like one solid wall. Reality: unless frequencies match to the fraction of a hertz, waves drift in and out of phase. Perfect unison is a target, not the default. Slight mismatch is normal and measurable as a beat rate. Add two sound waves. Where peaks meet peaks, they some louder, constructive interference. Where peak meets trough, they cancel, destructive interference. Almost the same frequency means that alignment slowly walks across the wave, creating a repeating loud soft pattern in time. A scope shows it. Your skin can feel it on a loud subwoofer. The beat rate equals the difference between the two frequencies. 440 Hz plus 442 Hz beats 2 times per second. 220 and 223 beat 3 times per second. Your ear is a subtracting machine on close pitches. Difference in hertz becomes wobbles per second. Tiny frequency gaps make slow, dramatic swells. Chorus detune lives here. Wider gaps accelerate the pulse until beats blur into roughness. Past roughly 15 to 20 Hz, the ear stops hearing wobble and starts hearing two separate pitches. The beat zone is a narrow neighborhood. Piano tuners strike a reference tone and a string, listen for beats, then tighten until the wobble disappears. Unison means zero beat rate. Octaves and fifths get tempered tolerances. Some slow beats are intentional compromise. Tune one note in isolation, and the next string may complain until the whole temperament grid agrees. The strobe tuner is optional. The beat is the truth serum. String sections naturally spread microscopically in pitch. Dozens of near matches create a chorus of beats averaging into shimmer. Synth chorus copies the trick. Clone the signal. Delay and detune copies by sense. Stack the slow interference. Even a 12-string guitar pairs courses slightly apart, so the strum shimmers without a pedal. Width is engineered beating. Do not confuse slow beats with harsh dissonance. Beats need close frequencies. The waves still resemble each other. Minor seconds far apart beat fast then rough. Consonant intervals can beat slowly when tempered. Roughness is a cousin, not the same word. Here is the twist. You use beats as a feature every time you double a vocal. The clone is never identical sample for sample, so microscopic pitch and timing differences smear into thickness. Unison in production is secretly a controlled near match. Zero beats sounds thin, a little wobble sounds human. Sweep a synth detune knob slowly from zero. At first one pitch, then a pulse appears, count it. Faster sweep and the pulse races into buzz. You just trace the beat zone with your hand. Piano technicians do the reverse, chase the pulse to silence. Bagpipes and accordion reeds beat against their own drones. Folk instruments wearing the physics on their sleeve. Recap: two close frequencies interfere. Peaks add, opposites cancel, alignment drifts slowly. Beat rate equals frequency difference in hertz. Tuners zero the wobble. Chorus and doubles exploit slow beats for width. Too far apart, and beats become roughness, then two notes. Next on Music Sketch, clap in a closet and a cathedral. The echo tells you room size before your eyes do. Reverb is geometry you hear.